How to change Outlook status. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Outlook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, what you can simply do over here is you can see the option of Google at the top left corner of the screen. So let's just tap on it. So let's tap on it and simply select on settings. As I tap on settings, you can see there are different options. So let's scroll down and tap on the option of privacy. So as I tap on privacy, you can see there's no option to show either we are active or not, or we can change Outlook status. So there's no option. So we're going to go back and check on the option of accessibility. So we don't have the option over here as well. Let's tap on display and appearance. We don't have any options over here either. So what this shows is we do not get to see the option to change the Outlook status on your Android device. It might be possible in your laptop or in your desktop, but in your Android phone, it's not really possible. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.